Embarkation Day, where excitement meets chaos, sunscreen meets sweat, and somebody's already arguing with the security guard. Ad from K&M Getaways. If you've been with us for a while, you might remember our first Embarkation Day video. It was good, but it didn't do the topic justice. Since then, we've cruised more, we've learned more, made a few new mistakes along the way. So this is our remastered version, the one that actually gives you everything we wish we had known before every single cruise. Kat and I have earned our embarkation scars. We've missed flights, we've had bags take their own vacations, and started cruise days with more stress than sleep. That's why we share this stuff, not to preach, but because we've already made the mistakes most cruisers are about to. Embarkation sets the tone for your entire vacation. You either start at calm, or you start sweating in line, wondering if you left your passport sitting on the counter in Starbucks. So today's about 10 small things that make a big difference. Picking the right boarding window, packing a real survival carry-on, tagging your bags smart, bringing that one legal bottle of wine, exploring the ship early, scoring day one dining deals, sunscreen before Sailaway, getting your check-in handled early, knocking out that muster fast, and finishing it with the Sailaway tradition that's just yours. But before any of that, there's one embarkation hack that's more important than anything else, and it might just save you thousands, your sanity, and even your marriage. Do not travel to your cruise the same day as it. Flights get delayed or canceled. Traffic jams happen. People forget travel documents at Starbucks. Cars break down. We've seen it, and the ship will leave without you. If you can swing it, arrive a day before. Crash near the airport. Wake up early, and you're already there. That one move might be the biggest stress saver of your entire vacation. Being on board first doesn't make you a VIP. It can make you a VHP, a very hot person. Your boarding time's assigned, but you usually get a window. Skip the earliest slot. The lines are brutal, the cabins aren't ready, and you'll just end up sitting in the hall babysitting your luggage. Done it. Shoot for mid to late morning instead. Less chaos, faster security lines, and by the time you board, your stateroom's close to being ready. Once you've got your boarding time nailed, let's talk about what you should actually bring on board. Because your luggage won't join the party till way later. Your check bag's on vacation without you, so pack it like it's never coming back. Your carry-on is your day one survival lifeline. Passports, boarding docs, meds, chargers, sunscreen, swimwear, valuables. Your luggage might not show up till about 5 p.m. Seen it later. This bag keeps you sane till it does. Now that your carry-on's ready for battle, let's make sure your bags actually find you. Cruise luggage tags rip off faster than your willpower at the dessert bar. Tag your bags securely and toss an air tag inside. If it goes missing, you'll know exactly which deck your suitcase is ghosting you. All right, tags are secured. Trackers are set. Let's board the ship like pros. Don't smuggle booze. Beat the system legally. Most cruise lines allow one bottle of wine or champagne per, so bring it with you on your carry-on. It's your guaranteed Sailaway drink without the $15 to $20 price tag. Cheers to you winning on Embarkation Day before it even starts. Before that herd floods in. Half your cruise is spent lost unless you explore before everyone else does. Once you've eaten, grab your ship map or the app and take a 20-minute lap around the ship. Find your muster station, a really cool bar, and some quiet decks. That quick walk pays off for the rest of the week. Are you feeling oriented? Perfect. While everyone's fighting for cold buffet pizza, we're booking steakhouse. Reservations at 30% off. Embarkation Day and Sea Day equals discount days for specialty dining. Most lines offer lower prices if you book on board on that first day or in the app prior to cruising. So skip the lunch chaos, secure your spot, and save some cash. Embarkation Sunburn, the official tattoo of rookie cruisers. You'll spend hours on the open deck watching Sailaway. The wind makes you forget the sun's cooking you alive. Lather up before you unpack. Trust me, aloe isn't a good look for formal night. So you're officially prepared, protected, and slightly smug. If you're uploading passports at the terminal, you're already behind. Finish your check-in, upload your travel documents, credit cards, and health info the morning of your cruise at your hotel. It's one less line, one less panic, and one more coffee before you get on board. Don't get caught in the stampede yelling, "Where's deck 5?" Complete your e-muster or safety drill the minute you board. 2 minutes in the app and you're free to cruise, while everyone else panics at 3 p.m. So the drill's done, your chaos is avoided, and now comes the best part of the entire day. I promise. Our rule: 1 photo, just us. No phones, no chaos, no crowds. Every cruise, Kat and I take at least 1 Sailaway picture with a drink in hand. Just the 2 of us. It's usually in a very quiet spot that we scoped out while we were exploring the ship earlier in the day. It's our reset moment. After all the planning, that's when it finally feels real. We made it, and our vacation starts now. And that's it. 10 real Embarkation Day hacks that actually make a difference. I'm Matt from K&M Getaways. Cruise smarter, not harder. No stress, just cruise. And until we see you again, ship happens. Hey cruise crew, we're Kat and Matt from K&M Getaways. We show you what really happens on cruises. This is real travel. The sunsets, the cocktails, the screw-ups, and the moments that make cruising worth it. We're plan it like it's ours every time. That means you get real hacks, hidden ports, food worth splurging on, and the rookie mistakes you can skip. So if you want less stress, more laughs, and a cruise that actually feels like a vacation, hit subscribe and join the crew. Remember, until we see you again, ship happens.